I'm going to take a video today's evening. I don't know, somebody's cat is fighting. And now look at all my gossiper cats just listening. Those cats are fighting opposite there on that blocks there. But look at my TD, my TD gossiper. All are listening, watching the fight. This is Uno. This is my territory guard here. Few days ago, he also fight with the same cat, that one there outside, who's fighting now. Look, it's a growling there, and that's my TD. TD also is watching the fight, and you see, my babies are playing there. I don't know where the other babies. Oh my God, two babies are outside here. The neighbor playing. You see. They are playing inside the grass. They like to play the grass there. See, Nala, the mother is under the car, under my car, also listening. Nala, go and watch your baby here in the neighbor's garage. Come, Nala, look after your babies. Uno, you don't go there, huh? Don't go there. Don't fight anymore, okay? I know you are your territory guard here. My baby. Oh no. This is my baby. See. Go inside, baby cats. See, Teddy. Ah! Ah! See, the fight is in that drain. That drain there. The two are fighting. See, TD, you're a gossiper, TD. You just watch the fight. You're still a baby. You can't fight. You're not same as your father, who's a fighter. This is only the fighter. Oh no. Two of you sit together. You see the two? This is the king of his territory. Oh no. TD at the back. They're just watching the fight. You see. That one is their father who fight that. You see, this one is their father. Ono and TD's father. See? Fight. They're fighting there. I don't know where's the other cat. You see what he's doing? He's scratching. You see, I want to take a picture. This cat every day are fighting with somebody. This is the father of my cats. This is the fighter. He taking care of all the area here. Where's the other one? Oh, down there. Down the drain. There you fight some more. You see, you fight with my Uno last few days, huh? Okay, you're very terror, huh? Now you can't climb up. Every day you're making a lot of noise, huh? Oh, this is the father of my cats. This one. This is the father, the king of this territory. He taking care even my back and front cats. He is the father. My tiger also babies, he is the father. So that's why he's very angry of this crazy cat there who fight with Uno few days ago. He's the one fighting with Uno, my cats. Now you're so scared, huh? You come out there. Come out from the drain. Come out and fight. You drop, right? You drop. You see? My king territory is waiting for you. You can come out. This is what you get of fighting my cat. Now you're scared. The father came and defend his son. You see, he's a terror, you know. Nobody can touch his children. My Uno and Tidi, he's the father. Where is that crazy cat? Down there. Oh, you are stuck inside the drain. You are stuck inside the drain. Oh, the father went off already. Don't go. Look after this cat. He's a very terror. Always want to fight with my cats. Tidi, you don't need to go there, huh, Tidi? Your father is fighting with him. Come here, come here. Come here, Tidi. Oh no, come here, Tidi. That cat, that car. Go. Go inside. Go inside now. Come inside. Go. Go inside. Oh no, what is happening is blur. Go. Go. Come. I carry you. You're so heavy. I cannot carry my baby. Oh, go inside. Cannot carry my baby. I have to carry because otherwise that crazy cat gonna fight with my titty. Okay. Oi, stop running. See? My titty. Don't go out. Oh no, you stay there. See, it's gonna be dark already. Look at all my kids, baby. Didi. Don't go outside, huh? Don't go outside, huh? Nala, go and jaga your baby. Go and taking care of your baby outside. Go. Your husband is the one fighting out there. Your husband, Nala, is the one fighting out there. Your husband is a territory king, huh, Nala? Anyway, it's gonna be dark already. See, it's just 6 o'clock. Nala, go and look after your baby. You see this Tidi? Tidi. Look, Tidi. You see the mother? This is Tidi's mother also. Then her second giving birth. This is her baby now. 2 months plus old. Baby? Go and drink Nin. Where's your brother and sister? Where's the other two? One are missing already. Is missing. But it's so blurred. Teddy, go. You want to play, You want to play the baby, That is your half brother. That is your half brother, the baby, Teddy. You see, Mommy Nala is here. Mommy Nala. Go out, Mommy Nala. Go and look after your babies outside there. Neighbor's garage. They're playing. They are playing, Nala. Go. See, it's gonna be dark already. No more the fighter, the other one. Crazy cat. See? Ono has been watching him. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay. I have to go inside already. It's dark. That's all. I have to do I surrender my plants all. You see, my cats are spoiling all my plants and I'm so fed up. I'm not gonna plant anymore. See my flower. Also are, see, no more already, all spoiled. That's all. Have a nice evening, everyone. Bye-bye. Nala, go and take your baby outside, Nala. Don't just lie there. Go and take your baby. Nala, go outside. Go and see your babies outside. Start running again like a monster outside. Where are you going? Come here. You are going to eat? He's hiding. Anyway, that's all. I wanna go inside already. TD, come here na TD and eat. Uno. Uno, come here and eat. Uno. That's all. Bye-bye. Happy New Year. Today is December 30. Happy New Year, everyone. Tomorrow is 31st. 31 already tomorrow. And gonna be a New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. I wanna see the Nala's two babies are playing here. Why? Come inside na here. My God. Why? You see? Hello. See ya. Two are playing. They like to play in the grass here. Jumping. Hi, come here. Quick. Oh my gosh. Anyway, that's all. Bye.